Mind your thoughts, take control of them. Tell yourself the positive stuff. That's 1. 2, dream big, set big goals. 3, take action today. 4, be disciplined and don't give up and don't stop. Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Last week we did a video that was pretty popular about mindset, a little bit about mindset and about money not being the most important thing when it comes to the real estate investing. So click on that video, watch it, it's a lot of fun. We had a lot of fun making it. After doing that video, I mentioned the Chicken Little mindset. And afterwards I thought, you know, we're all Chicken Little sometimes. And that's true. It's true about me, it's true about you, it's true about everybody. How to get away from the Chicken Little mindset and get into the mindset of the great philosopher Borat. Great success! First, got to take control of your thoughts. I can't stress it enough. What you think is what you're going to put out. So you have to mind your thoughts, take control of them. Be deliberate with the message that you tell yourself. If you think you can, then you can. If you think you can't, then you can't. Whichever way you're thinking, either way you'll be right. Get rid of the negativity. Put it out of your mind. Take control of yourself and tell yourself that you can do it. I think talking out loud, putting it into the world to yourself and to others. What I've done in the past, a thing where I'm going to do something that's ridiculous, like move to Puerto Rico and start a business buying real estate, right? So what do? I tell myself, Robert, I'm going to go do this. Then I start telling other people around me, hey guys, this is what I'm planning to do. Your thoughts have a chance to grow. Your thoughts have a chance to become reality. But if you don't have the conversation with yourself, if you don't put it out there into the world, it's never going to happen. I do believe that the universe has a way of letting things go. If you think you can, you're right. If you think you can't, you're right. So you might as well be right about yourself doing something great. Set big goals. Have big, big dreams. Set goals that sometimes aren't easy to obtain. Don't put yourself in a box where you want to start a car wash and you're a one-man show and you're out there washing 8 cars a day. You want to start a car wash. Set a goal that you want to wash 1,000 cars a day and you want to have 100 employees and that you want to own the corner on the way home. And if you've got a big goal in mind, you've got an idea that you want to put out there, I'm encouraging you to multiply it. Think bigger. Go big or go home. Nah, don't go home. Just go big. All of this stuff will get your mindset right, and then you have to take action. Take action, be decisive, don't stop, keep working, you can do it. Don't slow down, be a doer. We like to partner with doers, you like to partner with doers. The last thing that only you can do, and it's probably the most important, all of the big dreams and all of the other stuff and taking action, it won't mean shit if you can't be disciplined. You've got to start with your action and then be disciplined. You've got to keep going, right? You've got to work harder than the next guy. You have to own it. You have to just live it. You can have a lifetime of success by doing these 4 things. You'll learn everything that you need to learn about your business along the way. I promise you if you start today. Quick recap. Mind your thoughts. Take control of them. Tell yourself the positive stuff. That's 1. 2, dream big. Set big goals. 3, take action today. And 4, be disciplined and don't give up and don't stop. Boom. Great success! If you're enjoying this content, we want to get to know you. We have it in our DNA that we like to partner with people, and so we do all kinds of real estate deals in Florida and in Puerto Rico, but right now we're mostly concentrating on Puerto Rico. So if you'd ever like to be involved with us, and many of you have done this, reach out to us. In the comments below is the very best way. You can also click on the website. Let us hear from you. Let us have a conversation offline, and let's do some stuff. Let's get together.